Hi everyone, so I'm back with another journal. I'm on a roll making these little little journals that I've been making over the last couple of days. I've done a couple of I've done one video I should say of how I can construct a journal like similar to this. 2-3 videos back, I think. It's a craft with me. So this one is called Shabby Rose and it will be listed in my shop. I will put a link for that below. It measures 7 inches by 4. It has one signature, 32 pages front and back. There's lots of little flip out pages as well. And I've used kits from, some are my freebies, some are TaylorMadeJournals. We have got MyPorchPrints in here, and anything else I will mention as I go through. ARTYmaze as well. So it's just got a simple white cotton closure and it all comes undone. I might need to move my camera slightly, just like that. Yeah, and it's the same kind of style like I've been doing. So here we've got it's a book page pocket which is stuck directly onto like the first page. We have got this. I had a comment yesterday saying I would have given you the thumbs up, but too many staples. Don't remember asking for like criticism, but anyway, I have done a mixture of staples. Per Tim Holtz mini stapler. People must really hate that. Anyway, I'm just being sarcastic now. So that is from TaylorMadeJournals, and these are actually like the tall journal covers, which I've shrunk right down and just made it as like a double tag thing, and that just tucks in there. Butterfly ARTYmaze, that's ARTYmaze. That's ARTYmaze. That's actually a freebie from MyPorchPrints. This is MyPorchPrints, and I can't remember the name of that kit actually. Let me see if I've got it. Let me see just quickly. It's called Rose Garden Collage Kit. Here we've got a collection of little pieces of ephemera. I folded that up and stitched along that side. This is from the old design shop, and this is from ARTYmaze as well. It's either letter ephemera or French ephemera kit. It's just a little double journal card there. And then we've just got, this is from the old design shop. Some trim here. Got a mixture. Oh yeah, the tags. A lot of the tags are from ARTYmaze as well. This is ARTYmaze. Or it could be TaylorMadeJournals, one of the two, because I've got kits from both ladies and they are like got that type of letter ephemera in there. That is MyPorchPrints. We've got the little number label there is from the old design shop. The butterflies ARTYmaze. This page folds out like so. Love that paper. It's gorgeous. I actually forgot I had that. We've got another book page pocket with some stitching. Just try and keep everybody happy. A little journal card there. Got a little bit of writing space there as well. And we have this from TaylorMadeJournals. That is from the old design shop. That goes there. Here we've got, excuse me, here we've got a tag, done some stitching. This is from the old design shop as well. No, it's not. This is TaylorMadeJournals. That's TaylorMadeJournals as well. And there we go. What's going on in this page? It's a tuck spot. How pretty is that paper? It is so pretty. Again, that is MyPorchPrints. That's MyPorchPrints. This is ARTYmaze. That's from the Tag Galore kit, which is again a great. I think that might be on ARTYmaze's KoFi Shop, the Tag Galore kit. But it's a great kit to have because there's literally a tag, background tag for most occasions. Got some trim here on some square paper, and I've just put a load of blank papers there, coffee dyed but blank, hearts on a string, you know, just for pure journaling. Little flip out here, beautiful papers. Let's move that along. ARTYmaze, either French ephemera or what was the other one I said? letter ephemera, one of the two. Little tag there, ARTYmaze. As you can see, I've done some stitching. This is a freebie from MyPorchPrints. The label is the Old Design Shop. That label there is ARTYmaze, so is the butterfly. It's another flip outy one, like so. Here we have a collection of tags and journal cards. It's pretty. That is MyPorchPrints. Sit up there like so. Another pocket here. 2 tags. And here, this is a flip out page. And we have some butterflies in that there. Another tag. Some ephemera. Be good if I put it around the right way, wouldn't it? And then here we've got another tag. That's a freebie from MyPorchPrints. And oops, what was there? We've got one of these tucked in there. So there's lots and lots of places to journal. This is, I think that's, I don't know who that's from actually. I think it's the Old Design Shop. Here we've got some pieces in here like so. That's holding something around the other side, which you'll see in a minute. And that's a letter ephemera thing. That's a thing. And that goes there. Trim here, that's just paper clipped on there. Then here we've got another flip out. And lots of pieces to play around with. So I think I'm going to do a couple more journals in this style. Yeah, I'm quite enjoying that at the moment. I think sometimes when you enjoy doing something, just carry on, keep doing it. Another tag. I mean, I've got so many kits. That's a freebie on my KoFi Shop. I've got so many kits that I could do this style about 100 times over with just different things. And you know what? That may just happen. It may just happen. That just goes on there. And I've got that paper clip holding that on like so. And that is the journal. That is the journal. Little cutie. And it's quite chunky for the size of it. And then I've just obviously just got that. I'm rubbish at doing these. And we have a little bow going on here. Not the best of bows, but there you go. I'll do a better one than that in a minute. There we go. So yeah, this will be, look, see, I'm rubbish at it. I will do it properly off camera. Like I said, this will be for sale. All shipping is no tracking. I explained that in yesterday's video. So yeah, go and check it out. Thanks for watching. Any questions, just ask. And thanks for watching. Bye for now.